Hello student. So today I am going to start of the chapter matrices exercise 2.2 example 2. Example 2 is find the matrix of cofactors for the following matrices. That is, the first is matrix 1 3 4 minus 1. This is the 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows and 2 columns. Solution is, let matrix A is A is 1 3 4 minus 1. This is a 2 by 2 order. Let matrix A is a 1 3 4 minus 1. This is a 1 3 is a R1 and 4 minus 1 is a R2. 2 rows and 2 columns. We use the formula. Cofactor equal to means Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. We use the formula. Find the cofactors. Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Therefore, I means row and j means column. A11 equal to, the value of I is a 1, the value of j is a 1, equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j, the value of I is a 1, the value of j is a 1 into M11, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11. Therefore, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 is a 2 into M11. What is the M11? Leaving off first row, first column. This minor is a minus 1. Minus 1 square into M11 is a minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 square is a plus 1 into minus 1. First cofactor is a 1 into minus 1 is a minus 1. This is the first cofactor. Second cofactor is a A12, first row, second column. This is the second cofactor of the first row. A12 equal to, we use the formula Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Therefore, minus 1 raised to, the value of I is a 1, the value of j is a 2 into Mij means M12 equal to A12, the value of I is a first, j is a second, I means row first, j is a column second, equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 into M12. Therefore, minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 is a 3 into M12. M12 means first row, second column, leaving off first row and second column. This minor is a 4. Minus 1 cube into M12 is a 4. Therefore, minus 1 cube is a minus 1. 3 times of 1, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into 4. Minus 1 cube is a minus 1 into 4. This cofactor is a minus 1 into 4 is a minus 4. And second cofactor is A21 equal to, this is the row second and column first. A21 equal to, we use the formula Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into Mij. Therefore, minus 1 raised to, the value of I is a 2 and the value of j is a 1, 2 plus 1 into M21. A21 equal to minus 1 raised to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 into M21. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 1, this addition is a 3 into the value of M21. What is the M21? Leaving off second row and first column. Leaving off second row, first column. M21 means second row and first column. This minor is a 3. Minus 1 cube into 3. Minus 1 cube is a minus 1 into 3. Minus 1 into 3. This cofactor is a minus 3. and next cofactor is a22 equal to minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 into mij means m22. Minus 1 raised to 2 plus 2 is a 4 minus 1 raised to 4 into m22. M22 means leaving off second row and second column. This minor is a 1. Second row, second column, and m22 is this minor is a 1. Minus 1 raised to 4 is a plus 1 into 1. This cofactor is a 1. Therefore, cofactors of A. Cofactors of matrix A equal to, therefore matrix A is A11, A12, A21, A22 equal to, matrix A is this is a 2 by 2 order, A11, A12, A21 and A22. Therefore A11 is minus 1, A12 is a minus 4, A21 is a minus 3 and A22 is a plus 1. This is the cofactors of matrix A. Okay. We discuss the next example. Find the matrix of cofactors for the following matrices. Next example is of the matrix 1 0 2, this is the first row, minus 2 1 3, this is the second row, and third row is a 0 3 minus 5. This is a 3 by 3 order. Solution is, let matrix A is 1 0 2, this is the first row, minus 2 1 3, this is the second row, and third row is 0 3 minus 5, this is the third row. We use the formula find the cofactors. Therefore formula is Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into mij. This is the I means row, j means column. Aij equal to minus 1 raised to I plus j into mij. Therefore A11 equal to, this is the first row, first column, A11 equal to minus 1 raised to, the value of I is a 1, the value of j is a 1 into M11. This is the first minor. Therefore minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1, this addition is a 2. Minus 1 raised to 2 into M11. M11 means the minor of first. Leaving off first row and first column, this element is 1 3 3 minus 5. A11 equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 into M11 equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 1 is a 2 into M11. Leaving off first row, first column, the elements is 1 3 3 minus 5. Cross the product, minus 1 square is a plus 1 into, we use the product 1 into minus 5, and this direction is a minus 3 into 3, minus 9, minus 5 minus 9. Therefore minus 5 minus 9, this addition is a minus 14. 1 into minus 14 is a minus 14. This is the first cofactor. And second cofactor is a first row, second column, A12 equal to minus 1 raised to, the value of I is a 1, the value of j is a 2, 1 plus 2 into M12. Mij means the value of I is a 1, the value of j is a 2, M12 equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2 is a 3 into M12. M12 means leaving off first row and second column, remaining elements is minus 2, 3, 0, minus 5. This is the value of M12. Therefore, minus 1 raised to 3 is a minus 1 cube is a minus 1 into this cross product minus 2 into minus 5 minus minus plus 10 and this direction is a minus 0 into 3 is a 0 minus 1 into 10 minus 0 minus 1 into 10 minus 0 is a 10. This is a A11 first row first column. This is a 1 plus 1 is a 2, 2 is a even number. Directly use the value of plus 1. A12 is a minus 1 raised to 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is a 3. This addition is a 3. 3 is a odd number. We directly use this minus 1. Minus 1 into this minor 10 into 10 minus 0. Minus 1 into 10 minus 0 is a 10. Minus 1 into 10 is a minus 10. Therefore, A13 equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 into M13 equal to minus 1 raised to 1 plus 3 is a 4. 4 is a even number. Minus 1 raised to 4 into M13. M13 means leaving off first row and third column. We use the element minus 2, 1, 0, 3. Therefore, minus 1 raised to 4 is a plus 1. We directly use 1 plus 3. This addition is a 4. 4 is a even number. We directly use this is a plus 1. 1 plus 2 is a 3. 3 is a odd number. We directly use minus 1. Therefore, 1 into this minor is a M13. Minus 2 into 3 minus 6 and 0 into 1 is a 0. 1 into minus 6 minus 0 is a minus 6. Therefore, 1 into minus 6 is a minus 6. And next cofactor is A21. A21. 2 plus 1 is a 3. 3 is an odd number. We directly use minus 1 into M21. Minus 1 into M21. M21 leaving off second row and first column. M21 is leaving off second row and first column. Remaining elements are 0 to 3 minus 5. 0 to 3 minus 5. Leaving off second row, first column 0 to 3 minus 5. Therefore, minus 1 into 0 into minus 5 is 0 and this direction is a minus. 3 into 2 is a 6. 0 minus 6. Minus 1 into 0 minus 6 is a minus 6. Minus 1 into minus 6 is a plus 6. This is a A21 is a 6. Therefore, A22 2 plus 2 is a 4. 4 is a even number. We directly use plus 1. Minus 1 raised to 4 plus 1. Plus 1 into minor is a M22 equal to plus 1 into M22 is. What is the value of M22? What is the value of M22? Leaving off second row, second column. 1 to 0 minus 5. 1 to 0 minus 5. This is the value of M22. 1 into M22 is 1 to 0 minus 5. We use the cross product 1 into minus 5 minus 5. 0 into 2 is a 0 minus 5 minus 0. Therefore, 1 into minus 5 minus 0 is a minus 5. 1 into minus 5 is a minus 5. This is a cofactor is a minus 5. Therefore, A23, 2 plus 3, second row, third column, 2 plus 3 is a 5. 5 is a odd number. We directly use minus 1 into M23 equal to minus 1 into what is the value of m23? What is the value of m23? Second row, third column. Second row, third column is leaving off second row and third column 1003. 1003. Therefore, minus 1 into 1 into 3 is a 3. 0 into 0 is a 0. Minus 1 into 3 minus 0. Therefore, minus 1 into 3 minus 0 is a 3. Minus 1 into 3 is a minus 3. And cofactor, next cofactor is a31. 3 plus 1 is a 4. 4 is an even number. We directly use plus 1 into m31. Plus 1 into m31. What is the value of m31? Leaving off third row, first column. Leaving off third row, first column 0 to 13. 0 to 13. Therefore, 1 into this cross product, 0 into 3 is a 0, 1 into 2 is a 2, this direction is a minus, 0 minus 2, 1 into 0 minus 2 is a minus 2, 1 into minus 2 is a minus 2. And this is a next cofactor, a32, 3 plus 2 is an odd number, we use directly minus 1 into m32. Minus 1 into the value of m32 is, what is the value of m32? Leaving off third row, second column. Leaving off third row, second column, 1 2, minus 2 3. Minus 2 3. Therefore, minus 1 into 1 into 3 is a 3. And minus 2 into 2 is a minus 4 and this minus is a plus 4. 1 into 3 plus 4 is a 7. 1 into 7 is a 7. Sorry, minus 1 into 7 is a minus 7. And last cofactor is a33. 3 plus 3 is a 6. 6 is an even number. We directly use plus 1 into m33 plus 1 into, what is the value of m33? m33 means leaving off third row, third column, 10 minus 21. 10 minus 21. Therefore, 1 into 1 is a 1. Minus 2 into 0, minus 0 and this minus is a plus. Minus 2 into 0 is a 0. 1 into 1 plus 0 is a 1. 1 into 1 and this cofactor is a plus 1. Therefore, cofactors of A. Cofactors of matrix A is A11. Cofactors of matrix A is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. Cofactors of first row is a 3, second row is a 3 and third row is a 3. Totally cofactors are 9. Therefore, A11 is the value of A11 is a minus 14. First cofactor is a minus 14. Second cofactor is a minus 10. Third cofactor is a minus 6, minus 14, minus 10, minus 6. A21 is a 6. A22 is a minus 5. A23 is a minus 3. A31 is a minus 2. A23 is a minus 7. And A33 is a plus 1. Minus 14, minus 10, minus 6, 6 minus 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 7, plus 1. This is the cofactors of A. Do you understand?